Well, we are cutting through the excuses this morning. The excuses why you aren't on track to get fit. This week on House Call, we're trying to get you back in the groove. And one of the biggest challenges may be finding time to exercise. So we're talking to Dr. Jeremy Schmitz. He is a sports medicine specialist with the LeBauer Sports Medicine at Elam and LeBauer Grandover Village and a member of the Cone Health Medical Group. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
If we all had $1 for our excuses that we make, we'd be pretty rich people, wouldn't we?
Exactly.
But unfortunately, excuses don't make for a healthy body.
Right. Right. So, it's hard for people to kind of get into that routine because a lot of the societies have recommended around 150 minutes of exercise per week, which can seem very daunting.
Right.
Especially if you've never been working out or if it's new to you. So what I tell patients is just try to, start somewhere. And that's where I tell them, writing goals on a daily basis where you can fit it into your routine is more than anything. And then working that into a weekly routine and then keeping those goals out in front of you so you can kind of hold yourself accountable on a regular basis, so then that leads to the long-term goal that you're trying to achieve. So,
and you don't have to join an expensive gym or do hardcore CrossFit or Beachbody or anything like that. Could a simple walk around your neighborhood help?
Right, yeah. So I don't like to have people get intimidated by going to the gym, and that's where they just kind of have that the gym persona doesn't fit their style or whatever. But what I tell them is try to go home, find a place in your house, go in the park, or just walk around your neighborhood. And that's better than having to just go to the gym. So if you can find what works for you and then find a partner that does it with you or find a group, then you can hold each other accountable so you can, reach those long-term goals going forward. So.
And a lot of times when you take that first step, you do meet other people who are in the same boat as you, who you might bond with and be able to, further your goals.
Right. Yeah. So, and you can share that knowledge as well, so you may know a little bit of something that they don't know. And that's where there's other information out there where some of the offices that the government has, there's an Office of Disease Prevention and Health Promotion. It has a campaign called Move Your Way. So it gives a lot of insight to people who haven't started working out or are new to it. And it also gives information for parents and adults with diabetes or adults with disabilities. So that way you have some information out there that you don't feel like you're lost with no, you don't have to get a trainer, that kind of thing. So.
And people say, I want to do weights, but I don't have the weights. You have your body. So you can use your body as your own weight, right?
Yeah, so you can do, you can get as creative as you'd like, right? So we've been around for a long time, people, and you only get to live once. So as creative as you can be to get yourself moving in any kind of direction or any kind of movement is going to be better than just sitting down. That's kind of the detriment to society, so.
I had a friend who said, this is what I'm going to do. I like to watch TV. So during the commercials, I'm going to get up and I'm either going to do push-ups or I'm going to do, sits on up and downs on the couch or something like that, but it's still moving.
Exactly, that's better than nothing. And so even if it's, that, or if they, get on the treadmill and just walk with the TV going, then that's better than just sitting there, because that's what we try to avoid as much as possible, yeah.
Sedentary is not good at all. Yeah. Doctor, thanks so much for being with us.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Talk to
Thank you.
If you want to learn more, Cone Health does have a new video called Exercises for People on the Go. You can find it at conehealth.com/wellness-on-demand. Or if you would like more resources, maybe classes or building a healthier lifestyle, you can check out conehealth.com/wellness-matters.
House Call on Fox 8 is sponsored by Cone Health.